If you are in VA, you already know today felt decent. It felt decent. So instead of going to the gym, I decided to come out to the beach, which is one of my favorite places on earth. Shout out to the cancers. You know, we come to the water to get our shit together. You feel me? So I'm pulling up, getting my mind right because I have my mind made up today that I'm going to be doing a lot more running than walking. And again, this is for my beach lovers. Let's get it. At first, I was satisfied with just the view from far away, but God told me to walk up on it, you know? So I did. And I'm so glad I did. Uh, man, God is just amazing. The world we live in is just beautiful. I just I just was so amazed and just felt so much better once I came out here. This one little bird was just coasting by himself. I said, that's how I feel right now. But anyway, enjoy the view. Shit. As soon as I got in the car, the rain started to come. 2 miles and some change. Run, walk. I was goddamn sprinting and everything. That felt so good. It's such a big difference from where I was last year when I started. I could barely like run from number to number without my sides hurting. But at that time I was smoking too, so I quit. quit smoking weed in June, so it's been a hot little minute. But yeah, just tracking my progress. That was a nice workout there. That was a good one. I needed that so bad. Oh, Jesus. Well, yeah, like I was saying, I was sprinting and everything. I enjoyed running today. I forgot how much I used to like running. I started running a couple years ago. But I had stopped because I was losing too much weight. Like, if that makes sense. Like, I was getting really skinny really fast. Like, running really drops the weight for me. And I was losing, like, my curves and stuff. But now that I'm in the gym consistently, I ain't worried about that. Like, I know what to do now. So, now that the weather is breaking, it's a gloomy day today, but it felt nice. But now that the weather is breaking, I'm going to make it a point to come out here at least once a week and get that run in, because that shit felt good. Okay, and I just wanted to track this progress, track this video. It is, I believe, February 27th, I believe. Who got tattooed yesterday? Yeah, February 27th. And yeah, I'm super proud of myself. So that is it. That is all.